I'm 11 years old.
Okay, we have visitors and of course the royal fan. The loyal fan. What up? So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the starting of the vlog where we're now everybody's coming to our crib and we're just getting ready to get the party started. It's is it my birthday or is it your birthday? Okay. Or is it your birthday? Or is it your guys' birthday?
It's my birthday. I'm just kidding. Happy birthday, Marlson.
Alright, so you guys stay tuned. We're gonna just vlog tonight and just enjoy and have some good food. Hey, you have something to say? She ran away. Alright, so we're gonna be expecting just family coming over. So yeah, this guy was punished today because he literally just went to prank. Because we were gonna prank Marlson.
Me?
We want to prank. So I had to just punish him for a little bit. So now he's out of jail. He's not punished anymore. Alright. Alright. What do we got? We got the Mamma Mia. And we got the Caramia. We got the Egizia. Willianteria. Marsonia, Elstania. Welcome everybody. Hey guys, come in so they can get in. What's up, dude?
I want to go in the club.
Hey, Yosba. Hi. Where's your mom?
She's at the store.
Is she coming? Okay.
Wait, I don't know.
Okay. What's up? What's up? Hey, where's Marlson? Go call him so he can welcome everybody. Okay, listen up guys. So this is the rest of the crew. All these guys are all cousins, right? Except this one is their grandpa. Okay, so nobody's gonna use phone, okay? How come you're not allowed to use phone? Why? Raise your hand just like in school. Okay, you. Why? Yeah.
Because it's my birthday.
Hang out with our family.
Hey, listen up, guys. Shh. What's that?
We're here to hang out with our family.
You're here to what?
Hang out with our family.
Can you say that a little bit louder so everybody can?
Here to hang out with our family.
Okay, do you guys hear that? Huh? You guys hear that? So you guys are all here to spend time with the family. So you're not here to spend time with. Hey, listen up, you. So you're not here to spend time. Hey, you too. And you too. Okay. So you're here not to spend time on your phone. Okay. You're here to spend time with each other. Okay. So talk to each other, talk story. You know. Just have fun. Okay? So I want to ask you guys a question. So my question is, why do you think it's important to know that who's older and, you know, who your
Follow your elders.
What? What's that?
Follow your elders.
Follow your elders? Huh?
Elder, listen.
I'm still waiting for an answer. What is it?
To listen to your elders.
To respect them.
So you can look up to them.
Okay. First,
Respect them. Follow them.
respect. Look up to them. Right. So, what were the answers? Respect. Look up to them. What else?
Not disobey.
Huh?
Not disobey.
Not disobey. So that's basically part of respect, right? What else?
I said, follow your leaders.
Follow your leaders. So you all understand why it's important? Huh? Okay. So guys, listen. You guys need to learn this because it's important that you understand this. So we have the girls on that side, yeah. We have the girls on that side, and we have, listen boys, we have the boys on this side, all right? And you guys need to understand, and you need to, hey, listen. So you need to know and understand your culture, huh? So when you look on the side, hey guys, keep it down. When you see these girls on the side, you guys also have to show respect to your sisters, huh? Huh? Okay. Same thing with the girls, huh? You need to learn your culture. So when you look at your brothers, you also need to show your respect to your brothers, huh? Okay. All right.
Okay, today is Nokomoko, or yeah? Mr. Nokomoko, Marlson's birthday. Thank you that you're all able to come. And we are especially thankful to our Heavenly Father for His love, His care, for protecting Marlson and just watching over him since the day he was born and rolling around in diapers up to now that he's able to wear diapers and pants. Or you still wear diapers? Let's give it to the man. Mr. Nokomoko, stand up. Oh, you're a man now.
I just want to thank you guys for coming, and I just want to thank the Lord for blessing me with 11 years to live. That's all.
That's all?
Dude, I was and I was like, I'm not that signed in. They're like, how old are you again? How was your day? More. What's not? Really? You're older. I was like, I didn't even know. She's 12. She comes from.
I mean, she does.
I didn't know she was I remember.
Everybody sitting there like, oh, he's body.
Okay, let's see who eats a lot. I'm gonna check the plates. Zoom in on the plates. Oh.
Right here.
Kerke vissapuk.
Thank you, baby. Hi.
Oh, I got that on camera. Sinai, I got that on camera. When you were stuffing your mouth. Yeah.
Delete it.
No.
Delete it.
No can do.
I can sell the product. Ready?
What are you eating? Sushi? Okay.
I can delete it.
Is it good?
Let's do the cash. Wait. Happy birthday.
Okay, we're just getting ready to sing happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Linda. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow out the candles, both of you. Blow.
What is it? You ruined the cake.
Oh my.
Let's ruin the cake. I get Happy birthday, Chinny.
Oh boy. Oh, there's your birthday boy. Oh, he just took a shower.
It's you.
Think about the food, sir. Mr. Mr. McGurr. It was very fattening and sweet. What's up, man? What's your name, man? How about you, Morse? Yo, what's your name, bro?
This is actual facts though.
Yo, how's the drink, bro? Yo, the drink is in a bottle. Picture. Yeah, you can. You can do that. Thanks, guys, for coming. Thank you. Go tell Marlson to come say thank you to everybody.
Oh, bye, Denise.
Bye. Thank you for coming.
I didn't know he was
Bye, guys. Mira. Bye. Bye. Thanks for coming. Did you bring food?
Yes.
Okay. For your mom? Huh? For your mom, or you're just gonna eat it yourself?
No, it's for my mom.
No, I know you're gonna eat it. Yeah, you're not even gonna share.
No.
Yeah? Marlson, vi har på saker i så. Huh? Okay. You say thank you?
Thank you.
Huh?
Please subscribe.
Okay. Thank you, people.
Bye, Junior.
Thank you for coming. Come back next year for my birthday.
Bye. Bye, big boy.
Okay. Bye, girls. I mean, Bye, Aggies.
Come here. Don't. She's gonna smack you. No, she's not. She's gonna say bye. Told you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
One for good luck.
Hey, that was 13.
That was 11. It was 12. It was 11, fool. Bye.
Bye everybody. Bye everybody. Thank you for coming. Today is my birthday.
She's too good. Okay. Ready?
Oh, it's her birthday too. Oh, what are those kids?
Train it with me. I know that hurts you. No, I'm gonna go.
Did I hit you? Okay.
Like this.
Thank you. Hi.
Yeah, I got to keep that. What time?
Bye, Kendall. Thank you for coming.
Happy birthday. Bye. Thanks. Bye, Mars.
Bye, man.
See you later.
Okay.
to Marlson.
Ooh.
Give it to
Oh. This is
Wow.
Thank you, Kisan Mai Mai.
another Christmas.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
Wait. Kids!
Ooh.
I thought he had.
Thank you.
What is that?
I think khaki pants.
Ooh. Okay.
Why? All red. All red.
Ooh.
Wow!
That's for girls.
Yeah, that's for Jenny's.
That's for Jenny. Maybe that's for
Why you wear for girls?
For you.
Jenny's here.
supposed to share with Jenny.
You
That's
can't.
your birthday too.
Ay, ito Shopee ka. Okay. What?
Jenny's, is this yours?
That's for girls.
Jenny's, is this yours? Jenny's? Skin in the world.
Ooh. Let's see.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh.
And I got
Thermal.
thermal.
Oh, another one. Every single white.
The Seattle Seahawks got drafted. Marlson Celtics from the University of Washington.
Ooh. Nice.
Oh, I just can't believe it. I got taken. Got joggers.
Whoa.
Polo shorts. And
Isn't that what you want?
yes, and I got polo shorts. You support people. Yeah, I got
Wow.
Justin, you can wear stuff.
this.
Ooh, nice.
And I got this.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, tennis shoes.
Ooh, you got his shoes.
Oh man!
What is that?
I got. What is this?
What's that?
Big bread.
What's that? Let's see.
I got pranked. Oh.
What is that?
Did you do that, Elston?
Oh, that's ham. Is that ham?
There's a card.
My verse is Philippians 4:13, and it says, "I can do anything through Christ who gives me strength."
Can you say it one more time, but louder?
What's the important?
It's Philippians 4:13. I can do anything through Christ who gives me strength.
Okay, why do you choose that first?
'Cause with God you can do anything that you want.
Okay, thank you.
Alright guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you like and subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload. And thank you for watching, and shout out to the people that give me gifts and came. See you guys in the next video.